Lion Motor Flush removes sludge buildup, freeze sticking valves, helps remove gum, varnish, and power robbing deposits, and blends with most petroleum-based oils. First, open the can and pull back the lid. Next, pour full contents into the crankcase. Start the vehicle and let idle for 5 minutes, but do not drive the vehicle. Then, drain old oil from the vehicle, followed by replacing the oil filter. Finally, fill the vehicle with new oil. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back of the can. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.